Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best convertible car seats for your growing family, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we've rounded up the 5 best convertible car seats on the market right now, chosen for their safety, comfort, features, and real parent reviews. We've included everything you need to know: weight limits, standout features, and what makes each seat a top pick. All the product links are in the description below, so check them out when you're ready. Let's dive right into today's video. Number 1. Maxi-COSI Pria All-in-One Convertible Car Seat. First up, we have the Maxi-COSI Pria All-in-One Convertible Car Seat, a versatile car seat designed to keep up with your growing family. This car seat transitions seamlessly through 3 stages: rear-facing for infants from 4 to 40 pounds, forward-facing up to 65 pounds, and a belt positioning booster up to 100 pounds. What sets it apart? The ultra-soft Pure Cozy fabrics are made without wool or added fire-retardant chemicals, making it better for your child and the environment. Plus, the easy in and out harness holders mean you won't struggle getting your little one buckled up. Comfort is key with plush infant pillows, and the machine washable fabrics make cleaning a breeze. The Maxi-COSI Pria is perfect for parents who want a durable, eco-friendly car seat that grows with their child. Number 2. Britax Poplar Convertible Car Seat. Next on our list is the Britax Poplar Convertible Car Seat, a 2-in-1 option that supports rear-facing up to 50 pounds and forward-facing up to 65 pounds. Installing it is stress-free thanks to Britax's click-tight technology. Open, thread, click, and you're done. This slim 17-inch wide seat is great for fitting 3 across in many vehicles, without compromising on safety or comfort. With a steel frame, crumple zone, and patented V-shaped tether, the Britax Poplar goes the extra mile to keep your child safe. Parents love the 14-position harness and headrest, flip-forward buckle pad for easy boarding, and naturally flame-retardant cover. It also features a machine-washable seat pad and 2 dishwasher-safe cup holders, because we all know snacks are a road trip essential. Number 3. Chicco OneFit ClearTex All-in-One Car Seat. Our third pick is the Chicco OneFit ClearTex All-in-One Car Seat, an incredibly versatile seat designed for every stage: rear-facing from 5 to 40 pounds, forward-facing from 25 to 65 pounds, and booster mode up to 100 pounds. What parents rave about most? The Duo Guard protection with a steel-reinforced frame and EPS energy-absorbing foam offers top-notch safety. The car seat uses ClearTex fabric that's flame-retardant-free and Green Guard Gold certified, helping keep the air around your baby healthier. The 9-position recline, Sure leveling system, and premium latch connectors make installation a breeze, and the 2 foldable, dishwasher-safe cup folders keep drinks within reach without hogging backseat space. The Chicco OneFit is the perfect choice for families who want maximum safety and convenience. Number 4. Safety. First Crosstown DLX All-in-One Convertible Car Seat. Coming in at number 4, we have the Safety First Crosstown DLX All-in-One Convertible Car Seat. Built to grow with your child, it transitions through 3 stages: rear-facing, 5 to 40 solbs, forward-facing, 30 to 65 solbs, and booster, 40, 100 solbs. The standout features: the single-hand adjustable headrest makes it simple to keep up with your child's growth, while side impact protection offers peace of mind. Parents appreciate the easy-in, easy-out harness holders that keep straps out of the way during buckling. Plus, the fuss-free machine-washable seat pad with easy snaps and 2 removable, dishwasher-safe cup holders make cleanup effortless. The Crosstown DLX is an affordable, practical solution that doesn't skimp on safety or convenience. Number 5. Graco TriRide 3-in-1 Convertible Car Seat. Last but not least is the Graco TriRide 3-in-1 Convertible Car Seat, designed to support your child from infancy through preschool. It offers rear-facing, forward-facing, and high-back booster modes, making it a one-stop solution for years of car rides. Safety comes first with Graco Protect Plus engineering, and parents love the no rethread. Simply Safe Adjust harness system paired with a 10-position headrest for customizable comfort. The 6-position recline and easy-to-read level indicator take the guesswork out of installation. The TriRide also includes 2 cup holders for drinks and snacks, a steel-reinforced frame for durability, and machine-washable seat pads to keep things tidy. The Graco TriRide is perfect for parents who want a reliable, long-lasting car seat at a reasonable price. That's all we have for today's video on the 5 best convertible car seats available right now. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget, all the product links are in the description if you want to learn more or pick one up for your little one. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss our future videos on the best baby products, parenting tips, and more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.